तो डिजाइन थिंकिंग क्या है? दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ फ्रेमवर्क फॉर यस नेक्स्ट
सोचने की कला।
सोचने की कला, वेरी नाइस। नेक्स्ट क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग। और इसके कुछ प्रोसेस होते हैं। सो डिजाइन थिंकिंग इज ए फ्रेमवर्क टू जनरेट इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशन टू ए पार्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम। सो फर्स्टली और इन गोइंग इन एनी बिजनेस, पहला स्टेप क्या होता है हमारा? प्लानिंग। Firstly, we have to understand the needs. We have to understand the requirements of the customer. है ना? Need कोई भी एग्जांपल, जैसे ओयो हो गया।
Identifying the problem.
ओयो
Need and requirement.
क्या किया पहले? There was the need of the integrated platform, digital platform कि हमें अगर मान लो जम्मू जाना है, हम बिहार से हैं, जम्मू जाना है, कुछ आइडिया नहीं होता था, तो किस होटल में रुकना है, क्या किस तरीके से जाएंगे, तो there was a need. So first part is to empathize ना, first we have to understand the needs of the customer. उसके बाद फिर क्या होता है? What is the second step of design thinking?
मार्केट।
What is the second step? First we have to understand the needs and then second we have to define the problem. What is the problem? Problem statement के बारे में आप लोग सुने हैं?
यस सर।
काफी रिसर्च प्रपोजल पढ़ते होंगे या काफी जगह प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. So you have to clearly mention the what are the specific problem to which you are going to offer the innovative solution. So first step क्या है? Empathize है, second define and third is to ideate. What is the process involved in the ideation? You have understand the problem, you have defined the problem, now you have to ideate. You have to think about the
Idea generation.
innovation,
हाँ.
creativity. थर्ड स्टेप में क्या होता है कि we have to think outside the box. आइडिएशन में क्या होता है ना कि प्रॉब्लम पता चल गया तो हमें थिंक आउटसाइड द बॉक्स, क्योंकि काफी सारे ऐसे सॉल्यूशंस ऑलरेडी हैं बट हमें इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड करने हैं. सो वी हैव टू थिंक आउटसाइड द बॉक्स. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? प्रोटोटाइप. दैट इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द थीम. व्हाट डज इट मीन? So we convert our idea into tangible configuration that we can touch.
That we can try.
Tangible configuration. For example, आपके academic journey में tangible configuration, ये tangible outcomes क्या क्या हैं?
Result.
बुक।
Result, okay.
बुक।
Output, your output,
और
your marks,
That was it.
Mark sheet.
Marks, results.
हाँ?
Certificates during the session, during the.
कुछ आप conference में जा रहे हो,
हाँ.
IAC activities में involve हो रहे हैं, certification. So you are getting the tangible output. Learning is intangible, है ना?
Awards and
प्रोटोटाइपिंग
prizes.
मोड में क्या करते हैं कि we convert our idea, जो innovative solutions they we convert into the tangible configuration, है ना? उसके बाद क्या होता है? प्रोटोटाइप में उसके बाद टेस्ट करते हैं और ये आइटरेशन प्रोसेस है. टेस्टिंग इज आइटरेशन प्रोसेस. टेस्टिंग में क्या होता है? व्हाट वी डू इन टेस्टिंग?
सर वो प्रोटोटाइप इफेक्टिव है या नहीं है?
Very nice. First, we have to check whether our solution is effective or not, whether it is fulfilling the needs of the customer or not, और क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उसको हम लोग measure करते हैं. ठीक है? इस शॉर्ट टर्म में हमने डिजाइन थिंकिंग का प्रोसेस बता दिया. एक और जगह में पढ़ रहा था आने से पहले, जिसमें तीन चीज का जिक्र किया था अबाउट द डिजाइन थिंकिंग प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट हेड, दिमाग, सोचना है. वी हैव टू थिंक. क्या सोचना है? इंटेलेक्चुअली जितने भी चीजें हैं about the understanding the needs of the customer, about the feelings of the customer, about the requirements of the customer.
Understanding the gap in the market.
Intellectual thinking आपको करना है. You have to use the mind, which involves strategic thinking, problem solving skills, analytical, ये चीजें हैं. Second, heart. Heart means you have to understand the feelings of the customer, behavior of the customer, emotion of the customer, है ना? Taste of the customer. ठीक है? और तीसरा क्या है? Hand. What does it mean? What does it signify? Practical execution of your ideas. है ना? पहले दिमाग का यूज करके हमें अंडरस्टैंड करना है अबाउट द नीड ऑफ द कस्टमर. सेकंड, दिल का यूज करके हमें कस्टमर के इमोशन, दिल में उसके कस्टमर के इमोशन, बिहेवियर्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना है. और थर्डली, वी हैव टू एक्ट. व्हाट
What's the name of the process?
Design thinking.
What were the 5 steps? Empathize, define,
Ideate.
ideate,
Prototype.
prototype.
Test.
So this workshop is dedicated to prototype. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. But it is not a silo thing, it is a part of the process. So you need to understand the design thinking process. Generally what happens that when we have to come up with a solution, we start thinking about it and then we try to discuss, give the solution. But there is another approach which has been given by the Stanford. It was that present something initially, then think about it, what you have given, get the feedback, and iterate it and do this process again and again. And in this process, you will come up with the refined product. So, sometimes you might be thinking why we need to do this thing. So, the simple reason is, we have limited resources. The definition given by Professor a few minutes ago about economy. One is time and other is the cost involved in the production of the prototype or the final solution that you are going to do. Prototype necessarily doesn't mean a physical thing. Generally it could be a role play, it could be an idea. For example, if you are into a service company, how are you going to bring a tangible product? It is intangible. So we will discuss about these things sometimes in future, but try to understand that this particular graph is applicable to both. Do the mistakes at this point. It is easy for you to improve the product because less amount of time has been spent and less amount of effort has been involved. But if you do a mistake at this point in time, therefore it is said that if you want to be an entrepreneur, be at this age. Being a faculty at this age, I have lost many times. This is not the appropriate time to enter. This is the appropriate time to do everything whatever you want to do. Either you want to be an entrepreneur or not, decide at this point in time. Whether you want to proceed ahead with the iteration process for the particular product that you are having in your hand right now, this is the time to think about it. So in the first process, what is expected is that you talk to the people who are facing problem. Once you talk to them, you understand the problem in detail. Second is define it. Define the problem statement. A clear problem statement. Remember, writing it clearly needs time. It is not easy. Sometimes you know the things, but it is very difficult to write the exact problem statement because if you are not having exact problem statement, you will not be able to provide the exact solution. It takes time, it needs experience, but it comes with time. So, talk to the people who are facing problems, write the problem statement, then ideate. What is the solution that you can provide to that problem? Once you have the most basic thing, then develop the prototype, either in physical form or intangible form, then test. With whom? Who will be the end user? This particular end user might like your solution, might not like your solution. Take the feedback and reiterate this. And in this process, what is going on here with time, you improve the product. Ultimately, you are creating a product to provide solution to your end customer. It is not for you, it is for the end customer. So what you are doing in this process, you are trying to find the problem, you are trying to prepare a prototype, you are trying to test it with those who are going to use it in future. And this process continues. So that with every iteration, I get a refined product. Now, I will give you an exercise. I planned it to continue it for around 1.5 or 2 hours, but we do not have time, so we will take only 20 minutes to complete it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 7. Okay. Okay. Let us prepare 3 teams. Team 1, 2 person. Team 2. Okay. Anjani, Anuj and what's your name? Shubham and? Okay. You two, team 1, you two, team 2 and the 3, team 3. Fine. And you are all the customers, prospective user of something. I am giving you two things, two ideas. Okay. One is very simple to understand. The other is very complex to understand. Choose as per your choice. The first is soap case. All of you are using soap case?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with that? Probably not. So this is the first thing that you have to work upon. You are 3 teams. Choose your idea, okay, if you wish to. We are not happy with the soap cases. In general, we know that there is some problem, and we want to come up with a not a better idea, with a better product per se, so that wherein we can put the soap well. Okay, so we need to refine the existing solution that we are having. This is the first option that I am giving to you. Choose it if you wish to. Second, this is something which is very near and dear to my heart. A product that I might produce after 10-15 years. Its name is Happy Buddy. I do not know what it is, how it looks like, but let me give you the input, what I feel. Once we grow in age, due to certain pressure or stress in life, or due to physical condition, we are not able to sleep properly. This is something that happens with everyone. Either you might be facing it right now, or your parents must be facing it, that they are not able to sleep properly. Because they are not able to sleep, the very next day they are not able to work effectively, which ultimately leads to lesser productivity, multiplication of stress, and other physical problems. Ultimately, not taking proper sleep will ultimately lead to many problems in future. So we can have a stress-free, peaceful life if we are able to sleep on time and wake up on time. So this is Happy Buddy, my product or your product for the day, wherein you have specialized frequencies that once that are opened at a particular point in time and you want to sleep, within 10 minutes you will get into deep sleep. This particular instrument will generate few frequencies that will affect our brain and we will get into sleep. And because we are into deep sleep, after 6 to 7 hours, we will wake up fresh and it will help us in a better life.